Are you looking for to create some formatting here in Excel where you can just press Control R and you will be making complete formatting in just one click? So follow all these steps which I'm going to show you now. Here you can see I have a messy data set. There is no formatting applied on my current sheet. You need to go on view section, open macro. Here you have to select record macro, and there you don't need to do something else. You just set up your backend Control R key. So when you will press Control R and you will be getting your complete formatting on a new sheet in Excel. Press on OK, and here you can see this is your data and it's running. See, the recording has been started. Now press Ctrl A to select your data. Press Alt H O I to adjust your columns first, then Alt H O A for adjustment of your rows. Here you can see my both things are adjusted successfully. Modify my headers. Here you just need to click on header and move right with shift right arrow and just change its background, and with Control B you will make it bold. And now press Control A to select the data and press Alt H A C, so that will be central aligned. Now you have to press Alt O A, so you will be getting a pop-up where you can see multiple themes are coming here. You can select whichever the theme you want on your data set. I will choose this colorful one, and you can see my data has been modified. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.